Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Craft Idea. Because of your high demand, finally I am making the tutorial video of this box, and that's why today's video is so much interesting and I'm super excited guys. I hope definitely you will like it because it's super easy and it looks perfect. So you can easily make it and gift it to someone, and yeah, that's it. Enjoy the video, keep watching and stay tuned. Before starting the video, make sure you have subscribed to my channel for more videos and press the bell icon to never miss any of my videos. So without wasting time, let's get started. At first, I will take a white cardstock paper to make the base of this box, and all the measurement I will mention in the screen, so don't forget to watch till the end. And which product I am using here I will mention in the description box. Some products links also I will mention there, so don't forget to check it out. Make 9 boxes of 10 cm and just cut only one side. Just follow the steps as I am showing, it's super easy. Fold it properly and the base is ready. Now you have to decorate it. For this I am using this designer scissor. The scissor link also I will mention in the description box. And if you have designed paper you can use this also, but I want to make it colorful, so I am using this color. Now we have to make the pockets. For this I will apply glue only in 3 sides. Now I will keep some cards in this pocket for photos. Now I am making balloon card. For this just take a paper and fold it and draw a balloon and cut it. It's ready. Now like this make another 3 or 4 balloons and just keep it in the pocket. Let's come to the attractive part of the box. Just take a paper and write happy birthday and cut it. It's ready. You can use ready-made alphabet sticker also. Now I will attach one by one. Okay, so it's ready. Now I will make it more beautiful by some color paper. You can decorate by yourself as you want, and this is the main attractive part of this box. So the box is ready. Now it's time to make the lid. For this all the measurement I will mention on the screen, so just follow it. Just let it dry and the lid is ready. Now I will check the box is perfectly fitting with that lid or not. Yes, it's ready. For outside decoration, I am using here a white color paper and I am writing "You are special." But if you want to give another message, you can write down there and just attach it. And I am using white ribbon to make it perfect. And yeah, that's it. It's so simple but it's beautiful, right? The box is ready. So that's it for today guys. I hope that you will like this video because the box is not so hard, and which product I have used here that already you can get from local market, and some product links I will mention in the description box, so you can get from there also. And how much you have liked this video, please let me know at the below comment box, and like this, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. So till then, take care, bye bye, and keep watching Craft Idea.